Hey everyone! In this video, I'm sharing my full review of the Daily Burn Fitness app. Check the description for app links and more. Daily Burn is a popular app for all fitness levels, from beginner to advanced. It offers diverse workout programs designed to keep you motivated and on track. Its standout feature is a massive library of video workouts, including HIIT, strength training, yoga, and Pilates. Whatever your fitness goal, Daily Burn has you covered. The app creates personalized workout plans based on your fitness level, preferences, and goals, whether it's building strength, losing weight, or improving flexibility. It's like having a full fitness studio at your fingertips. Work out at home or on the go with fresh daily workouts. Track your progress, log workouts, and set achievable milestones. Connect with the community, share your progress, and join group challenges for extra motivation. Easy-to-follow video instruction makes it perfect for beginners or trying new routines. Daily Burn is a solid app for anyone looking to improve their fitness. It's user-friendly and flexible, offering both structure and variety. If you're serious about sticking to a routine or leveling up your fitness, Daily Burn is worth checking out. See the description for more information.